Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe in your home. So today I'm going to discuss antibodies in case of hepatitis. Now this whole table I have derived from Marrow Pearl number 1894. Once you watch the video, go back to that table and you can easily recall all of them without any problem. So let's begin. The first one is the autoimmune hepatitis. Now, there are two types of autoimmune hepatitis, type 1 and type 2. Earlier, there was type 3, but now there is no such thing. Only type 1 and type 2 autoimmune hepatitis are present. Now, type 1 autoimmune hepatitis has lots of A in them, like ANA, anti-nuclear antibody, AMA, anti-mitochondrial antibody, p-ANCA, that is perinuclear anti-neutrophilic cytoplasmic antibody, then ASMA, that is anti-smooth muscle actin, and anti-SLA, that is soluble liver antigen. Now coming to type 2 and chronic hepatitis C, both have a common antibody, that is anti-LKM1, LKM for liver kidney microsomes. So how to remember this? Remember the sequence anti-LKM1, 2 and 3. Just remember C and D. So in the sequence 1, 2 and 3, 1 is on the top and C is on the top, that is it is before D. Then anti-LKM3 corresponding to D, that is on the bottom. Now let's see the C and D first. So anti-LKM1 is for C, that is chronic hepatitis C, and it was also for autoimmune hepatitis type 2. Then corresponding to anti-LKM3, that is D. D is chronic hepatitis D. Now between C and D there's something. That something is the drugs. Okay. And between LKM 1, 2 and 3, you saw 1 was for C, that is both on the top. Then on the bottom side 3 corresponding to D. Now the left is anti-LKM2, which will correspond to D, that is drugs. So anti-LKM2 is the antibody in drug-induced hepatitis. Now I am sure this must be looking very confusing to you, and perhaps it is, but once you watch the video once and twice, write down all these things on your own and then refer back to the Marrow Pearl number 1894 and you can easily recall all of them. One more point, ANA, that is the antibody in autoimmune hepatitis type 1, is the most common antibody. That's it for today. I hope it was helpful to you. Please do like, comment and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive more such informative videos. Thank you very much for watching.